Hey, sneekylinux, back in the house, back in the house, back in the house. Back in my house. Yeah. Now, just across the Irish Sea, from the west coast of the UK, is the Green and Emerald Isle of Ireland. And on this island, many moons ago, was a young man called Clem. And he was very clever. And he thought, I want to make a Linux distribution. Let's do it. So he came up with Linux Mint. And this time it's Linux Mint 19 Tessa. Oh, bejesus. Dozo. So this is a Linux Mint 19.1 Tessa XFCE. Now, as you know, Linux Mint has not always played ball with me. I've been playing around with this for a little while, and you know what? This time it's not too bad. But I have come with a couple of problems, but hey, gotta have these things. Wouldn't be the world otherwise, would it? Now, I'm not going to do the usual A, B and C video, so I'm not going to go through the menu and show you everything that's here, because you know what's going to be here. I'll just say, look, I'll go to multimedia. I've installed Caden Live, simple screen recorder, okay? That's what I need to do the video, really, isn't it? All the office stuff is there that you will need. You know what's in it, okay? You know what's in it. I wanted to show you a couple of things that I thought were rather interesting, okay? So, when you first boot up, you get the welcome screen, and it says, and I quote, "Welcome to Linux Mint. Welcome to your new operating system." Woo woo woo. It is green, of course. Bloody 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 blah. Bloody 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 blah. Have a great time, and don't hesitate to send us your feedback. Okay, I can do that. No problem. The next is first steps. Okay. Interesting, we say. So we've got system snapshots. So basically, it will take a snapshot of your system every so often. So if it goes bang, you can go back and restore to where you was before, which is fine by me. I don't mind that at all. That's great. I'm not going to open it up for you though. You can do that yourself. Next, we're going to do is the driver manager. So I'll launch it, and I want my password, as you do. And when I do that, and it updates the cache, and we go zooming along, and it will check to see what drivers are available at the moment. Now I've already installed the NVIDIA drivers for this machine here, okay, and they're the 390s, and I must say they look rather nice. They should look rather nice on the tube as well, by the way. As you can see, that's what we're using. So yeah, super. That's a nice little addition, isn't it? So it's giving you a step-by-step view of what you should do before you even get going. That is a really, really good idea. I know a lot of other people do this as well with other distributions, but this time it's well laid out, is what I'm going to try to say. It's well laid out, simple. So like system snapshots, it's in your face, isn't it? It's just telling you what you should do. Next is the update manager. Of course. We'll launch that, shall we? Launch it. See what happens. It's the Mint update manager, and now I've already updated it. It doesn't need to do anything. Super. Next, have a look at system settings. Okay, I will. Let's have a look. And if you've never used a Linux distribution before, or even Linux Mint, this is going to be fantastic for you, let's be honest, because you don't know what you're doing, do you? You've probably watched a lot of videos online, but it's never the same as doing it yourself, is it? Never the same. So in your settings, you've got your appearance, your notifications, your panel, your tweaks manager, and you can have a play around before you even get going. And if you have, I will say this, if you have set up your system snapshots, and it's took a snapshot, and you break it, you can just go back and do it. Super. Next is the software manager. And this is all in the welcome screen. And this is what I'm showing you. This is what new users would really want to see, to be honest with you. It helped them get really comfortable in any version of Linux. Because remember, they're all different. There's the old Minty software manager. Looks okay, doesn't it? You can get Spotify here, you can get Blender here. So I'm a new user. Oh, I've got Spotify on my phone and my tablet. Can I have it on my Linux system? Let's click. Well, yes, you can. So we click on install. It'll ask my password. And all of a sudden, Linux is not as imposing as you thought it was. It's actually really, really simple and a lot safer than the DOS. Or the OS, should we say. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Of course you do. And it was chickadee-boo there. It'll install Spotify U, which I think here is a flat pack. I'm not actually sure. Don't quote me on it. It'll install it for you. And there we go. And if I go down here, we'll close that. And we go to our menu. And we go to multimedia, there's Spotify. You just log in and off you go. Super. Firewall control. You can even do your firewall here, okay? Next on this, just on this welcome manager, you got the documentation. All your documentation's here you want to know. So if I want to know the release notes, for instance, because that's what I want to do, there you go. Tells you about driver issues, your touchpad driver issues, which there always has been for quite a while, as I'm aware. But yeah, it's all there. I didn't really need to go through the distribution with you, did I? If you're a new user, that welcome screen is all you need. Apart from that, everything is here. Alright, I've installed a couple of bits and bobs. I've installed Google Chrome. Look, boom. It all works, okay? It all works. It's super. Now, I'm running out of hard drives at the moment. I've only got 2 left. So, I'll probably only play with this one for about another week, and we'll see how we go, okay? But first impressions, it's a lot improved from when I last really used it on a long-term basis, which was quite a long time ago. So yeah, well done on Linux Mint. From the Emerald Isle, to be sure. Sneaky Linux out. Bye-bye.